Question 8. Given the graph of f of x below, explain how you would sketch the graph of y equals the absolute value of f of x. So this is an absolute value graph. You first would have seen this in grade 11. And there's basically two steps to doing an absolute value graph. The first step is anything above the x-axis, you keep it the same. So this line right here would be the same, and then that little bit right there would stay the same. I'm trying to draw a straight line here. The part that would change is the part below the x-axis, because a negative y would become a positive y. That's what happens when we do absolute value. So it would come above the x-axis. And that's not a very good sketch because of my pen, but I think it is an explain question, so we want to make sure we write it out. So the first thing we do is for y values that are positive, the graph remains the same. And what are we saying for y values that are negative? For y values that are negative, reflect the graph in the x-axis. So it's an x-axis reflection. So that basically how we do any absolute value graph. And it's not needed, but in red, it's the absolute value of f of x.